Here's how to install Facebook on your laptop or PC. So first, you need to go ahead and make sure that you have the Microsoft Store on your PC or laptop, and go ahead, open the Microsoft Store on your device. Now tap on the search in the top of the screen and simply search for Facebook application. You can also install Facebook Lite or Facebook Messenger if you want. Now tap on install, which is highlighted in blue color over here. You can see that the Microsoft Store is now preparing to download Facebook on my device. In the case if you do not want to download a Facebook application on your device, you can use the web version. For that, open any web application on your mobile device. Then go ahead, simply search for facebook.com. Then enter your email address or phone number followed by the password, and then tap on login, which is highlighted in blue color over here. Once the Facebook application has been installed on your device, tap on open, which is also highlighted in blue color, and you'll be taken to this kind of login portal. You need to simply go ahead, enter your email address in this field, followed by the password in the second field, and tap on login, which is highlighted in blue color. If you no longer want Facebook on your device, you can right click on it and then tap on uninstall. Tap on uninstall again to confirm, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.